Hello friends. Now another named reaction, that is Gabriel-Thalamide synthesis. In various entrance examination it is asked previously. As far as IIT is concerned, 2011 the question is given from the Gabriel-Thalamide. In various university examinations also this the reaction is very important one. Gabriel-Thalamide synthesis is used for the preparation of a aliphatic primary amines. It is not used for the preparation of secondary or 2 degree or tertiary or 3 degree. It is only used for the preparation of aliphatic 1 degree amines only. Here, what is means by the Gabriel-Thalamide synthesis is Gabriel is the name of the scientist who used to prepare the aliphatic primary amines with the help of thalamide. Before going to know a thalamide, something need to know about this reaction. Here is the benzene. If one COOH group is there, that we call as a phthalic acid, benzoic acid. If 1, 2 position dicarboxylic acid is present, that we call as a phthalic acid. If phthalic acid is reacted with 2 moles of ammonia, 2 moles of ammonia can be written for the sake of my convenience HNH2, then loss of water molecule will take place. As a result, the 2 amine groups are making bond with the carbonyl group. Here is the NH2 group and here is also NH2 group is bonded, which is on heating, which simply on heating, loss of ammonia molecule, 1H from here, H2 from here, loss of NH3 will take place. As a result, here is the formed compound is a C double bond O, C double bond O, NH, this we call as a thalamide. This is the starting material in the Gabriel-Thalamide synthesis. Here, with the help of the thalamide, here is the C double bond O, here is also C double bond O, NH is present, which on reaction with step 1 is a potassium hydroxide, ethanolic or alcoholic potassium hydroxide, where the K plus and OH minus nucleophile, the work of the base or the nucleophile which attracts easily the acidic hydrogen atom. Here the nitrogen and hydrogen, nitrogen is a more electronegative atom, that's what it tend to pull the electrons towards nitrogen atom. As a result, nitrogen gets negative charge and the hydrogen easily liberated one. As well as here is also 2 carbonyl groups are there, that's what hydrogen easily replaceable. Hence that hydrogen is called as a acidic hydrogen atom. Hence here after losing the water molecule, C double bond O, C double bond O, here is N and K, here is a N minus and K plus, that we call potassium salts of thalamide. The formed potassium salts of the thalamide, general reaction I am writing here is any of the taken alkyl halide. Hence, here is a alkyl halide. Due to electronegativity difference, the polarity of the covalent bond will take place and the bond pair of electrons moves towards the halogen atom. It gets partial negative charge and alkyl group gets partial positive charge. Hence, negative is attracting the positive by the loss of KX, potassium halide. Then what would be the left one is on nitrogen atom alkyl group is joined, that we call as a N-alkyl thalamide. The N-alkyl thalamide which is on simply hydrolysis, KOH H3O plus followed by heating. Then what is happened? The bonds are broken like this. H is added to this side, OH is added to this side, H is added to this side, OH added to this side. Hence, as a result, the formed product is here 1, 2 dicarboxylic acid at benzene. Another one is RNH2. RNH2 is called as a 1 degree amine, is also called as a primary amine. This is a one hydrolysis in the presence of the base. Here also, instead of the hydrogen atom, the potassium salts may be formed here, minus N plus and minus I plus. If the continuous hydrolysis is done, then it undergoes hydrolysis to form the phthalic acid. Here, from here, another way is also there, hydrazine, NH2, hydrazine is taken, followed by the hydrolysis, that also leads to the formation of the same, but here is a C double bond O, NH and NH. Here the resultant is the same, that amine is called as a primary amine or primary aliphatic amine. Phthalic acid, here thalamide, step 1 is a potassium hydroxide, step 2 is alkyl halide, step 3 is a hydrolysis. These are all the total equation can able to write within fraction of the second. That is the preparation of the objective examination. In objective examination, no one is not concentrating about the mechanism of the Gabriel thalamide, but how to write the products in the Gabriel thalamide is important. Here some important previously asked questions regarding the Gabriel thalamide synthesis. We know well Gabriel thalamide synthesis is used for the preparation of aliphatic primary amines only. Here thalamide is given in all the cases. What the important factor that I need to use? KOH and NaOH, base is given. We know well here is the acidic hydrogen atom is there. I am already explained that the role of a base is to accept a proton. Acidic hydrogen atom is over. Here is the benzyl bromide is given, hence it forms benzyl amine. Within fraction of second we need to write the question, or we need to attempt within fraction of approximately 20 seconds. What I need to do? Replace the Br by NH2. Here is a Cl is present. Replace the Cl by what? NH2. Why we need to study the chemistry is nothing but if you perfect more and more, then you will answer such kind of the questions. Here is a Br is present. Br is replaced by what? NH2. Next one. Here is a fluorine is present as well as the bromine is present. In such cases, we must need to take care about this. Here, fluorine is a more electronegative than compared with the bromine, and the bond length between fluorine and the carbon atom is a very small as compared with the carbon and the bromine. Hence, which bond is broken? Br bond is broken. At this side, what it is going to attack? Primary amine. Nitrogen directly linked with only one carbon atom. Primary amine. Here is also primary amine. Here is a very important amino acid. What that amino acid is? A glycine. Amino group is there, acid group is there. Only one optically inactive amino acid is a glycine. Glycine is a formed one. Here is a benzyl amine. All these are previous questions which is asked in various objective examination in national. Those who are preparing for IIT advanced level examination, in such cases the mechanism is helpful. The mechanism is nothing but in any chemical reaction what the elementary steps are taking place, that we call as a mechanism. Here is a thalamide. Potassium hydroxide is a base. We know well the function of a base to abstract the proton from where it is coming easily. Loss of H2O. Potassium salts of the thalamide will form. When it is reacted with alkyl halide, we know well the polarity of the bond. Hence, N-alkyl thalamide will form, which reacts with 1 mole of the base potassium hydroxide. KOH is a OH minus nucleophile, which is attacking at the electrophilic site that's generated, and the bond is broken. Nitrogen carries the negative charge, which abstracts the proton from the carboxylic acid. Again, another mole of the potassium hydroxide is also the same functioning. As a result, RNH minus is coming out, which abstract the proton from the carboxylic acid group. As a result, the amine, primary amine is a formed one. It is already we discussed very important, which is only used for the preparation of the primary amine. Gabriel thalamide synthesis is used for, first one is 1, 2, 3, 4. N-butylamine is given. Second one, 1, 2. Second position, phenyl is given, amine is given. Third one is a vinylamine is given. Fourth one, aniline is given or aminobenzene is given, directly bonded with the aromatic ring. And here is the secondary amine is given, secondary aliphatic amine or the 2 degree aliphatic amine. 3 degree aliphatic amine or the tertiary is given. Here the functional group next is alpha position and beta position, very steric hindrances is present, and here is a beta position, somewhat less steric hindrances is present. Here identify yourself and which gives the primary amines or which undergoes Gabriel Thallimide synthesis and which gives a product. Please try to post in our comment box.